Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own book cover in under 10 minutes using Canva. For all you aspiring writers and content creators out there, having a compelling book cover is crucial. Let's dive right in and create something eye-catching without spending hours or needing any specialized design skills. First, head over to Canva's website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. It's entirely free for the basic version, which is perfect for what we need today. Once you're logged in, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. In this search bar, type book cover. This search will bring up a variety of templates specifically designed for book covers. Canva offers thousands of these templates, so you're sure to find something aligned with the genre and style of your book. Now, take some time to browse through the selection. This can be a bit overwhelming given the sheer number of options, but try to focus on the style that resonates with your book's genre. Whether you're crafting a mysterious thriller, a heartwarming romance, or a nonfiction masterpiece, there's a template that can serve as a strong starting point. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, click on it. This will bring you to a new screen where you can start customizing. On the new screen, you'll see a button that says Customize this template. Go ahead and click that. This is where the real fun begins, as you can now start making the design truly yours. Change up the text to reflect your book's title, author name, and any other details you want to include. Canva makes it easy to adjust font styles and sizes to ensure everything looks just right. Play around with different typography options to see what best fits the tone of your book. When it comes to images, you can stick with the ones provided in the template or swap them out for your own. To change the images, simply click on them and either delete or replace them with one from Canva's extensive free library, or upload your own if you have a specific vision. Make sure your images are high resolution and align with the overall vibe of your book. Once everything is aligned with your vision, double check your work to confirm that all pages have a consistent, cohesive look. Consistency in design helps to make your book cover look professional. So, take a moment to ensure that everything from the font styles to the image alignments matches throughout the book. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything you've created, it's time to download or print your splendid book cover. Click on the download button in the top right corner and choose your preferred format, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF. If you're planning to print the book, make sure to select the right size and resolution for clear, high-quality prints. And there you have it. You've just created a beautiful, personalized book cover in under 10 minutes. Don't forget, this cover isn't just a wrapper, it's the face of your journey as an author.